NORSAR, the Norwegian Seismic Array, detected 17 seismic events near Toropets, Tver Oblast, Russia, between 3:30 and 9 o'clock Moscow time on September 18. The strongest tremor registered a magnitude of 2.5. NORSAR, which has previously analyzed seismic data related to the war in Ukraine, continues to investigate the cause of these events. Ukrainian special services claim their drone struck a major ammunition depot in Toropets that night. They allege the facility housed North Korean ballistic missiles, Iskander ballistic missiles, guided bombs, and artillery shells. Social media footage purportedly from Toropets shows significant explosions. Russian authorities, however, only reported a fire and injuries from falling UAV debris, without mentioning explosions. Years earlier, Russian state media had reported the construction of a modern arsenal for missiles and explosives in Toropets. Recall, Ukrainian drones successfully attacked the so-called 107th GRAU Arsenal annexed to Toropets town in Russia's Tver Oblast 480 kilometers north of Ukraine. The GRAU stands for the Main Missile and Artillery Directorate of the Ministry of Defense of the Russian Federation. A source from the Security Service of Ukraine told several Ukrainian media that drones were operated by Ukraine's Security Service, Military Intelligence, and Special Operations Forces, and targeted the site containing missiles for Iskander and Tochka-U systems, guided KAB bombs, and artillery ammunition. The Security Service, together with its colleagues from the Defense Forces, continues to methodically reduce the enemy's missile potential, which it uses to destroy Ukrainian cities. We are working further to organize a similar picture at other Russian military facilities working for the war against Ukraine, the source said, according to public broadcaster Suspiln.
Олег, нормально, дом стоит, вон я вижу его. Вот, видишь?
Дом жив еще?
Да. Пока, да. Это вот, что там вот, что вот это вот?
Стена.
Отсюда ракурс не очень, но дым вот он. Прям вот. Прям. Это прям жесть. Я вот только что уши обработал. У меня с ушей кровь потекла, пока я бегал по делам. Вот. Ну, сами все поймете.
Блин, солнце. В садике все выбыло вообще. Просто все рамы. Вот там вот все со стороны Унера, вот все сюда. Даже листы скинуты. О, нет, тут на кухне вообще пипец. Дверь выглянула вообще. А, так вот, вся двухэтажка вообще выбита, ты чё? Сейчас. Ну и... Еще. Блять, не вижу нихуя. Все тут выбито, короче. Там ебашь.